Click on the link below to get price. The Laowa 24mm f/14 2x macro probe lens is a unique and innovative addition to the world of macro photography. Its long tubular design is not just aesthetically striking, it serves a practical purpose, enabling photographers to capture incredible detail in close-up shots while maintaining a safe distance from the subject. This is particularly useful for photographing delicate insects or flowers that might otherwise be disturbed by a traditional lens. One of the standout features of this lens is its impressive 2:1 magnification ratio. This allows for stunningly detailed images, making it ideal for extreme close-ups. The lens performs exceptionally well even at its maximum aperture of f/14, providing decent sharpness while still allowing for a good depth of field. The bokeh is pleasantly smooth, which adds a nice touch to your images, making the subject pop against a soft background. Another notable aspect is the integrated LED ring light. This built-in illumination feature is invaluable for macro photography, where lighting can often be tricky. The adjustable brightness helps to ensure that your subjects are well lit, reducing the need for additional lighting setups that can complicate outdoor shoots. However, the Laowa 24mm f/14 does present some challenges. Its long barrel can be cumbersome in tight spaces, and it requires careful handling to avoid accidental damage. Additionally, it lacks autofocus, which means you must rely on manual focusing. This can be tricky in low light or when working with moving subjects, but it also allows for greater control over the composition. In terms of build quality, the lens feels robust, and the metal construction gives it a premium feel. It is compatible with various camera mounts, enhancing its versatility across different systems. While the learning curve might be steeper compared to standard macro lenses, the results it offers are well worth the effort. For serious macro photographers seeking a distinctive tool for their arsenal, the Laowa 24mm f/14 2x macro probe lens is a fantastic investment that opens up new creative possibilities.